Have you ever dreamt of making it big as a dancer but couldn't make it? This is a story of a man who dropped out of college just to live his dreams, and today he's a well-known dancer in Karnataka. Take a look. Many have a desire to dance. Some dream of becoming a professional dancer, while many others share this dream, only a few make it. Dance a way to glory. Dance is an art, dance is a sport, and dance is everything for this man from Dharwad who turned his passion for dance into reality. You dance to express and not to impress. Every movement shows how you feel, and every dance has a story behind it. And yes, that's exactly what dancer Prakash Shatri thinks about dance. From nothing to a famed dancer. This is 44-year-old Prakash Shatri. Talented, determined and dedicated. These are a few of the many qualities that describe this dancer. A passion that turned into reality made Prakash go places. He took up dancing at a tender age despite opposition from his parents' side. Name and fame came to him when he gave scintillating performances in school. He was the cynosure of all eyes. He became a star and had many fans. From an ordinary Dharwad boy to a dancer, Prakash's climb up the ladder of success happened in the blink of an eye. But the success this man enjoys is everything that he deserves. Being termed as one of the best dancers, the people around him can't help but gasp at this man. Displaying an innate sense of maturity by adapting to all kinds of conditions and formats, Prakash has indeed proven to be a dependable dancer. He quit studies to live his dreams. Prakash's desire for dance was such that he decided to quit his studies to take up dance as his profession. Since his performances garnered attention, he decided to form a dance group named Blue Diamonds in 1986.
ನಾನು ಸುಮಾರು 29 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ನನ್ನ ಈ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು ಈ ಹವ್ಯಾಸ ಬೀಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದರೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನನಗೆ ನಾವೊಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 11 ನಾನೇ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಆವಾಗಿಂದ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮುಂದೆ ಕ್ರಮೇಣ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ವಿಜಯ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದೆ.
To spread the joy and importance of dance, Prakash rented public utility buildings in 4 branches of Dharwad and trained students. He taught students different forms of dance. His marketing strategy was good, and probably that's the reason he gained tremendous popularity. Prakash's love for dance was such that he used to perform everywhere possible. From training students to farewell parties or any other functions, he performed in all of them. The apple of everybody's eyes. Soon his name started spreading like wildfire. After starting dance classes in Dharwad, he came up with more dance academies in Bengaluru, Chikkodi and other places in and around Karnataka.
ಅವನು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಾಗೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನಾಗೂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ. ಅವ್ನು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಓದೊಳಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂದಾಗಡೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಷ್ಟ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೂ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿನ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿನ ಹೋದ. ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೇ ನೃತ್ಯಪಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಯಾವುದೇ ನೃತ್ಯಪಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಊರಾಗ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾಗ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ತರ್ ರೀ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆದ.
Having been financially paralyzed, Prakash didn't have enough money to spend on learning dance from trained professionals. He instead learnt on his own and choreographed for various dance events. Prakash learnt contemporary, yoga dance, aerobic dance and other dance forms. It is learned that once, when Prakash was training his students, one of his close friends visited and advised him to visit Vietnam as there was more scope for him. Upon learning the great demand for dancers in Vietnam, without thinking twice, he left for Vietnam. Though Prakash had a tough time initially, he somehow managed alone by putting up dance institutes in the place. He handled the difficulties of not knowing the local language with ease at all situations. From a small hamlet to Vietnam. No matter what came his way, Prakash was a dedicated dancer. He trained students according to their timings. His selection of songs were mainly from Sandalwood and Bollywood, and the people over there seemed overwhelmed to shake their leg to songs selected by Prakash.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ಸಿಗೂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಸಾನು. ಇವಾಗ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಪುಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇವನು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ನೃತ್ಯ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ನೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅವಂಗೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನೃತ್ಯಪಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗ ಆಳುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇವನು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾರೂ ಇವನು ಗುರುತಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನೋವಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇವನು ಬರೀ ಸೈಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೇನ್ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಅಂತ ಎಂದೂ ಅವರು ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವನ ಬೆಂಬಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊರತು ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Prakash was recently here in Dharwad to train students. He visits India in 2 intervals and makes sure his classes go well even in his absence. Prakash has grown by leaps and bounds. He has now carved a niche for himself without depending on others.
ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದು ಏನು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು. ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನನಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ.
Coming from a simple family, this man has grown up to be one of the most admired and loved dancers in Namma Karnataka today. Well, he comes as an inspiration for many. We must appreciate this man for living his dreams and making it big in a field that is slowly perishing. Narasimha Murthy for News 9, Dharwad.